Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about the customer registration process. I will guide you through each steps that are required for the registration. Today's video is about the lender's registration process. Before we dive into the video, I would like to share about the types of customers we have in the A2Z AMC. So basically, we have two types of customers. First one is the lender, and the second are the private clients. So as you can see, we are on the landing page of the A2Z AMC. To get started with the registration process, we can click on the Get Started button, or we can click on Create an Account. And it will navigate us to the registration page. So this is where the first step of the registration process. There are two options. The first one, you can either continue with the Google with your Gmail account, which is by clicking on the continue with Google button, or you can fill in the basic requirements that are required, such as the first name, last name, the email, and the password confirmation. As I have filled the dummy data, we can click on the Create Account to move towards the next step. So basically, this registration required two types. The first one is the basic, where you are supposed to give in your basic information such as the first and last name and your email address and set the password for the portal. The second step is where you have to choose the role you are specifically signing up as onto this platform. As I told, this is the video for the customer and the lender specifically. So in this step, we are going to choose as the customer, and as a customer type, we are going to choose the lender. For the private clients, we will create a detailed video on that. As you can see, the third step is where we need to provide in the lender's information. We have to fill out these details. As all of these details are mandatory, you can see there's an asterisk sign, which means they have to be filled, and some without asterisk means they are optional. If I try to bypass, it says that these things are required. I have filled this out with the dummy data, and these are the required fields such as the company name, the point of the contact name from that company, like from the organization, the person whose number is going to be filled in this form, and that person name. Like for example, we have wrote this Jasper Stone as the person who you can contact, and it's the mobile number. Over here we have the phone number of the organization, the address, the city, state, and the zip code. And then when we need to add in the license number of the lender and define the license expiration date, which can be set from any of these. You have to just click and it's just easy to go. And business license, as it is important for the registration process, we need to provide the business license as well. As everything is now filled, we can move forward. I will click on the button continue. This is the last page, the step 4, where you can review your information that you have provided. If you feel any of this detail is incorrect or you need to edit any of this, you can click on this edit details and go back to this page and you can edit it. Or you can submit this application. And if even, for example, if your license is expired, so as you need to update it, so in future when you are onto your portal, you can go in your profile and just update any of these details. So now, as you can see, this account is under review, which means that the operational admin of the A to Z AMC system needs to review your profile so that they can onboard you onto this platform. So for that, we need to wait until the ops admin approves or rejects our application for this particular role. So we can check the status of our review of the account by clicking on the check status. And if it changes, so we will be basically logging into the system. Currently, we are logged in, so that's why it says log out. And basically, you will be receiving an email for the if you are approved or rejected. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.